romantic kiss so you can cross me off that list.
Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Today's video is all about just trying, you guys. I'm just trying new stuff for you guys. I recently placed an order in Amazon, and these are the things that I got. Obviously I didn't cut them right because this one is larger than this one, but that's my own fault. Sorry for that. But I'm gonna be showing you a couple of things that I got in Amazon, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be creating this look for you guys in there, but quickly I just want to show you the things that I got. And this is not gonna be in the packaging anymore. But I got some lashes, some bold lashes like this one. I wanted some big lashes, and this is how they look like. I'm sure you guys have seen this. And I got a couple glitters today. You guys, I got a little bundle of glitters, and I'll show you a couple of them. This is the one that I used today, and looks like that. Also comes with a red and blue, and look at this one, so pretty. And I do have a lot of this. I also got another one of those lashes, looks like this, and these ones are more crossing in here, like the hairs are crossing more than this one, which are more so wispy than crossing the hairs. So there's that. And I got you guys a bunch of liners, and this is how they are looking like. And this is what I'm wearing, that blue, dark blue line right there. It was a little thin. The brush is very thin. I was so impressed with this because you can create that thin line that you want if you wanted to. It was a little bit difficult for me because just haven't used liners in a long time. But I got a bunch of colors, you guys. All those glitters came with brushes, like applicators, and this as well. But the more exciting thing that I was super excited to see was this palette, you guys. This is the exotic flavors from You Can Be, and this is super beautiful. Look at this gigantic palette. I will say though, it is amazing. Like, this was like 14 to 15 bucks, I think, that I spent on this, and the colors performs super stunning. Like, they are so pigmented. You can see right here, and you will see in the demo of this palette, and I will also swatch for you guys, and you will see how beautiful this palette is. I was so excited because it has a row of pure neon colors, and I was like, yes baby. And then you have a row of blue, purple, greens, yellow, pinks, and oranges, and neutrals, and I love it. This is amazing, and I will be playing with this furthermore so I can let you know if it's a very good quality. But so far it blended really nicely, and it is pigmented, and I didn't use a base or anything with this eyeshadow, and I used the glitters, and you guys, I'm in love. I wasn't trying it to be good or anything. I was just testing these products, and I was like, oh, okay, let me just show them my viewers. So if you're interested on these things, you can definitely pick them up. I will leave the link to everything down below if you're interested. But I'm so loving the quality of this thing so far. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you.
sadomasochist, so you can cross me off that list. But if you're unsure, I insist you keep me on a little longer.